There you go. Hey, make sure you guys communicate to hold it up.
We are in Wilton, California, just outside of Elk Grove.
We are preventing flooding from going on.
It's been pretty hard.
Rain, the cold, the mud,
A lot of sandbags,
the winds,
a lot of visqueen.
Cosumnes River.
What we're currently doing today is a wave wash protection, and what that means is we are utilizing sandbags and rolls of plastic in order to protect the levees.
Go ahead, all the way down.
And visqueen is the plastic sheathing that we'll use to cover up the levees and protect it from further erosion.
It's like a barrier for the water. The sand soaks it up, and then you have multiple layers on top of it, so the water can't just flow.
Communicate.
This particular project requires us to walk very far away.
I've been helping put sandbags in the piles and walk back and forth.
It's pretty bad, you know. Almost slipped a couple times.
Try to watch our footing so we don't go downhill.
The footing is not the best.
It's just try to protect Sacramento area from the floods.
My favorite part about the project, probably the sandbag part, you know. It's like a puzzle. I like puzzles.
I feel happy to save my state and city from floods and trying to protect it as much as I can, which is why I joined the CCC.
Makes me feel like I'm doing something, you know, preventing something negative, doing something positive.
Even though my feet are hurting and my body is sore beyond reason sometimes, looking back at all of this, it feels like I'm doing something. Giving back to the community and helping is something we can do as a SEAS crew.